Meet Sarah, a young professional who always felt like her paycheck disappeared the moment it landed in her account. Bills, groceries, nights out, it was all gone before she could save a dime. She dreamed of building wealth, but never knew where to start. One day, a mentor gave her a simple rule: pay yourself first. Before paying bills or spending on extras, Sarah started setting aside 20% of her income into savings and investments. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but as weeks turned into months, something amazing happened. Her savings grew steadily, and she realized she could still cover her expenses by adjusting her lifestyle just a little. A year later, Sarah looked at her account and couldn't believe it. Her net worth had doubled, not from winning the lottery, but from one simple habit. The lesson? You don't need to earn more to build wealth. You just need to prioritize paying yourself first. Start today, and future you will thank you.